Hi, so in this video lesson, we'll work on alternate picking, that's down up picking, and also speed picking, down and up, on different strings. Okay, first is holding the pick. We need a pick for this, okay, by the way. So you hold the pick, so use your pointer finger and point the pick where your pointer finger is pointing to, like this, and then hold it with your thumb like that. So where your pointer finger is pointing, the pick should be pointing, okay, like this. And then now, of course, you point your pointer finger and your pick towards the guitar. Not like this, not like that, not like that, not like that. It should be towards the body of your guitar, okay? And then let's choose any string, but for now let's choose the first string. I want you to pick it going down. There, 4 times, okay? And then pick it 4 times going up. Like that. Okay, so practice that a few times. That's quite easy, so you might get it in a few minutes. Then up. The purpose of those 2 exercises is just to get you the feel of how it feels picking down and picking up. Now we're gonna combine those 2 exercises. So it's picking down and then picking up. So like that. Okay? So you're gonna pick it, you're gonna still counting 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So when you do this exercise, you practice it, you feel the down picking and the up picking separately, and then you practice it alternately down and up, okay? But when you're practicing it, when you're repeating it already, okay, repeatedly practicing it, you still need to count. Like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So the numbers are down, the ends are ups. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay? So again, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And that's what you just do. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. There. That exercise will help you pick faster. Speed picking. You start slow. The secret, really not a secret, but the way to go to be able to play fast is to start slow. You start slow. Once you're comfortable with this speed, you speed up. I'm still counting 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Speed up. Okay, so another one to notice is when you're practicing slow, you can use any technique with your wrist or with your arm. That's fine. But when you're speeding up, you'll find that your arm and your wrist tends to stiffen up. That's fine, and then your whole arm you'll be utilizing your whole arm when you're picking faster. There, see that? So now how do we play it faster? Maybe you can group it into small pieces, like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, or 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a. You can count it that way. So you count 1E and a, 1E and a, 2E and a, 3E and a, 4E and a. Sorry. Then you group them into. Then you divide it into small parts. So it's like your brain should be able to hear each pluck, even though it's very fast. Okay, see that? I'm muting it with my left hand. And then I try to play it faster without stopping.